contains duplicate 2. Given an integer array is called nums and an integer k, return true if there are two distinct indexes I and j in the array such that I index of nums array, right? And the values is equal to the values of nums array at j index, and the absolute value of I minus j less than equal k. So if we see at the laser, we will have an input array and then integer value k is 3. That means if we have the duplicates, the distance will be just 3. So now 0, this one is index is 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 0 equal 3, right? So less than equal. So if this one is 3, the duplicate will be within 4 elements. If it is 2, the duplicate will be within, if it is 2, will be in 3 elements, right? Okay, so in this case we will add we will look which one is duplicate, right? So we don't have to look for everything, right? For example, I can do we can do 2 loops by using the for 2 loops, right? So it is can be if we are just indexing 1 here, right? And then we will just keep looking for, and then we got this one. Okay, I is 0 and then j is 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And then j minus I equal 3. So we can say is, and then the 3 is equal to k, so we can say it is true. But for the larger value, if it is the input is very large, for two for loop is not efficient, so we will use slightly Windows logics or algorithm. Like if it is 3, we will look only for elements, and then if it is 4, we will look only 5 elements. If there are duplicates in that range, we can say it is true. I mean, okay, for example, if we have this, okay, we have this, right? And then at the time k equal 3, that means duplicate should be in the index difference should be 3, right? So now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 0 equals 6, right? So the difference is 6. So we don't have to worry if there's any duplicates in other place or not. If they are not contained in our limited range, you can say it is false, right? Okay, so let's do it. So how can we know the specific range? I will use the hazard. We can use the list too, but if we use the list, we need to check if there is a contain or not, right? We will add, and then if there is contain, we need to check contained is already contained or not. So instead of this one, we will have the hazard, or if we can add to that hazard, that means there is no values in that hazard. If we cannot add it, we can know, okay, that value is already in the hazard. Okay, so hazard. Okay, I'm gonna go for loop I equals 0, I less than numbers dot length I plus plus, right? Okay, so I will add to the hazard dot add numbers dot I. That means I will add 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? In this case, okay, we cannot add, right? So at the time, if we cannot add it to the range, we will return true. If it is not, we will check the headset site, right? If the headset site is we can get the site by using the count is greater than k. If it is greater than k, that means, okay, for example, if we have this, okay, if we have this, we will check this k, if k equal 3, and then, okay, k equal 3. At the time, we will check this range, right? Okay, there is no duplicate, and then we will check this one, right? Okay, so we will check this range first, okay, and then when this one is coming, it's already here, right? So it's already here, so we will not add it. So we can no, we will add this one, add this one, add this one, and we will add this one, 4, right? And then 1 4 is coming, 0 1 2 3, right? Headset side is 4, it now became 4, right? 4 is greater than 3. At that time, we will remove the first element. How we can get the first element? This one is 0, right? So if we want to get 0, I is 0 1 2 3 4, 4 minus k is 3, right? Okay, I'm gonna create, oh my goodness, okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, when it is 4, we got this 4 at the time, and we will add, has I add, and then has I count is greater than k. At the time, I is 3, and then k is 3. At the time, we will remove the first element, right? So I minus k. We will remove the first element. So headset will be 1 2 3 and 4. When we reach 4, we will remove the first element, and then next time when we add 1, like that. Okay, got it. So we will keep looking for, and then at the end of the array, and if we don't return, we cannot return true. Last time we return false, that means we cannot find any duplicates within this range. Okay, let's see what happened. I just submitted. Okay, cool. So that's it. Thank you.